What's the meaning of cleave? Cleave. Cleave.
Cleave. Cleave. Cleave can have two opposite meanings, depending on its context. The first definition means to split or separate something into two parts, especially with force. For example, you could cleave a piece of wood in half with an axe. The result is that the object is divided into two distinct pieces. The second definition of cleave means to stick or adhere closely to someone or something. For instance, a loyal friend might cleave to you during tough times. The result is that there is a strong bond or connection between the two parties.